Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend, and this is Prince here, your trading friend. Today I am going to touch upon my Nifty trading strategy. This is not something which is new. This is in fact you can say this was my first strategy or my first video I posted on YouTube. I'll just take you to my YouTube channel. This is my channel Angel Trading Friend, and you can see this Nifty trading strategy for working professional, which is almost uploaded 2 years ago. This is the same strategy with little bit of tweaking, a little bit of modification, because lots and lots of people had lots of doubts about it, and there are many questions that is it still working, or can we implement the strategy now also and make the kind of returns which we had previously. So in order to address all these things and also to explain the strategy once again to you, I am posting this strategy once again. It was a super hit strategy. We can see that almost we had more than 1 lakh views, and still many people are following it. Many people are making very good profits out of it. So I will just cover today once again the strategy. We'll be looking back into the strategy and also modification required for present day generation. In the sense, we looked at 2017. So let us see in 2019 what are the modifications to be done. And also, since many people are working people, they were not able to catch the open prices. So I'll just tell you how to catch these exact open prices, or if not the open price, how to get into the trade. All those things will be explained in today's particular video. And as always, I have the back tested file as well. I have done the back testing, and then you can see for 2019 data I have done completely. So the total points is close to 3646 in the year 2019 as well. So stay tuned till end of the video. You will be getting full details about it. And in case if you're not subscribed to my channel till now, it's a channel dedicated for the working professionals. Please do subscribe. You'll be getting lots and lots of updates regularly. Okay friends, so before going forward, just wanted to give you a quick update about my ATF mentorship program. And as I told you, this is not concentrating on strategy. This is more about money management and trading discipline, because you can see that money management and trading discipline is the major contributor in your trading success. And also it's a 6 months mentorship program, because friends, I feel that by 1 month or 2 months of tutoring or by mentoring or guiding, people tend to change once again, because after 1 month of trading, people continue to change and go back to their old style. So I feel that 6 months is compulsory. Only then I'll be able to change your trading style. Only then I'll be able to teach you this money management, also this trading discipline, so that you don't have to again face loss in your life, because it's a habit. It's a habit which you have to inculcate, and I believe that 6 months of dedication is a must. In case if you want this mentorship program, you can WhatsApp on my number. My number is 8095 876525. Okay, so as always, you know my strategy is for working professionals. You just have to keep alarm at 9:15, place a trade, and then just leave for auto square off at 3:15. Now auto square point number 1 modification which you have to do is don't go for auto square off. Keep alarm at 3:15 and close your trade, because many people like Zerodha, they started charging 20 rupees again for auto close as well. So in order to avoid that, this is the first modification which you're going to do to the strategy. Keep alarm at 9:14 for entering and at 3:14 or 3:15 for closing as well. Yeah. So what is the strategy? Keep alarm at 9:14. Yes, you can log into your trading terminal. Be ready. You just have to look into your previous day candle. Now, previous day candle, you might ask me whether I have to look into the spot value or whether I have to look into the futures value. Friends, the candle which, if it is red in spot, it will be red in futures as well 99% of the time. In case if the candle body is very very small, only then most of the time there might be difference between the spot value of the candle and also the futures candle. So don't worry about that. And since you're only going to trade in futures, you can look into the futures candle always, so there is no confusion about it. But what I meant to say is that both the candles are almost going to be the same. Okay, so the logic which you're going to use here today is, if in case if yesterday was a positive day, that is the market closes greater than the open price. So you know that when the close price is greater than the open price, then the candle will be a green candle. So you can also say that it was a positive day. In such cases, what we'll do is the next day immediately we will go the opposite direction. This is a logic which you're going to follow. Why this kind of logic? Because you know that most of the time people, when they tend to see that their Nifty is going top or the stocks are going very high, immediately those are holding the stock. This is the psychology of people. If they see the stock going up, they immediately start booking profits tomorrow, and they start closing the trades tomorrow. So you know that stock market is nothing but the psychology of people. In case if people feels like selling, then the market will start coming down. If the people start feeling like buying, then you can see that the market will going top. So in this way, the psychology of people we can't control, but most of the time, 50 to 60% of the time, if today is positive, then market will try to be negative tomorrow, because many of them will start booking the profits. Okay, so and as you all know very well, just 50 to 60% accuracy is sufficient for us to make very good returns, because that is the secret of trading. Many people ask me whether is there a 100% accuracy strategy, is there a 99% accuracy strategy. Friends, all those are not required. 50 to 60% with a very good money management risk reward ratio is more than enough to make a very good living out of trading. Okay, so this is the logic. If market is positive today, then we have to go negative the next day. What do you mean by negative? All those I'll show you in the Excel. In the same way, if market is negative today, then tomorrow we have to buy the stocks, buy the features. Okay, and also the stop loss is going to be 50 points. That is more than enough. And then also don't keep targets for booking the profits. You can leave till end of the day, and then whatever market gives you, you can accept it. Okay. And when it comes to the money management part, that is nothing but how much of money you need to trade one lot of features. You might say that by my broker provides me leverage of 20 times, 30 times, so I just need 10,000, 20,000. That's all fake stories. Don't believe in all those things. Keep a minimum of 75,000 rupees so that you will have to trade one lot of Nifty features. And don't just confuse this with my mentorship program. Many will say that you already thought about money management and what's special in that. The mentorship program is completely different, so you don't have to confuse with this and that. Okay, and before going to summary, I'll just show you the Excel so that you will get a very clear idea what I'm talking about. So let us say January. I have taken spot data here. You can take both the data. As I told you, both are the same. Almost you will just find 1% to 2% difference between both. So you can see that on 1st Jan, market opened at 10,882 and closed at 10,910. So it means that the market has gone top, it has gone higher. So that is the reason I have marked it as 1. This is just I have done for shorting the values formulas. Okay, so market has opened at 10,882 and closed at 10,910, giving a clear indication that it has gone top. So next day we are just going to sell the stock, sell the future as soon as the market opened. So market opened at 10,869. I sold it at 10,869. Now I'll tell you how to catch it exactly. Yeah, and you can see by end of the day it has come down till 10,793, thereby giving us a profit of 76 points. And 76 points, you can see I have just multiplied with 75 because you know that one lot of Nifty has 75 shares. That is why I multiplied with 75, and then you can see easily we made 5,726 points. Yes, I'll just continue. I'll just show you two more examples. You'll get an understanding. So again on second day, you can see market opened at 10,869 and closed at 10,793. It means it came down. So that is the reason why next day we are going to buy the stock. Okay, so we bought it at 10,797 and it came down. We made loss of 10,672. Since we have a stop loss of 50 points, we're hitting our stop loss. Fine. So loss is common, not a problem. Again next day just continue. So you can see market opened at 10,797 and it closed at 10,672. It has come down, so that is the next reason. Next day we have to go top. So you can see we opened at 10,700 and closed at 10,727, giving us a profit of 27 points. So this is how the strategy is, friends. Very, very simple, very, very easy. Just try it out for yourself. It's an evergreen strategy. I did the video in 2017 and then I almost gave the backtested data from 2012. Many of you are having it. In case if you want it, you can WhatsApp on my number and take it as well. 2019 data, if you want also, you can take it from me. It works superbly wonderful. It's very easy, very convenient for working people. At 9:15 or 9:14, just place a trade and leave it. Nothing else. Just keep a stop loss of 50 points and then just leave it. Nothing else. Okay, so now coming to the modifications, what you have to do, how to catch the exact open price or high price. Okay, so I have just opened the Nifty chart here and I've put a 5-minute candle. So what you can do is, I'll just show you it. Yeah, so you can see the open price here is 11,515. Most of the time it becomes very, very difficult to catch this open price exactly. So many people say that, sir, as soon as I open the candle started moving top, I could not catch the open price. You don't worry about that at all. I am telling you once again, just place a stop loss limit order at 10,515 and just leave it. So you can see that the market went top, okay, and then you can see that in case if you missed it, it's already gone top. But you can see after that, third, fourth candle, fifth candle, it has started coming down. So the price which you have kept has come once again. It has been met. So in case if you have placed an order at 11,515 and in case if you missed the open price also, market will come back once again. This is what I'm trying to tell you here. Okay, so don't be in a hurry. In case if you are able to catch within 1 or 2 price, 1 or 2 rupees, then don't worry, you can trade with 1 or 2 rupees. Up to 10 rupees I don't mind. So if the open price is 11,515, up to 11,525 is also fine. 10 rupees of plus and minus would not make a much difference. We call it as slippages. Don't need to worry. Okay, but best option is keep a stop loss limit price at the open price and then just leave. So you might say some days it might not come back, so then leave it. Market is always there for us. You don't have to worry. If you're not getting it today, you might get it tomorrow. But 75% of the time it will come back and you'll get. Okay, this is one way of trading. Second way which I suggest to all my students is that take a 5 minutes candle and then in case if you want to buy, okay, if you're planning to buy at the open price, don't buy at exact open price. Wait for the end of this 5 minutes candle and buy at the high price of the first candle. So that will be easy for us to trade. In case if you want to sell at the first at market open, then wait for the first 5 minutes to get over and then just place an order at the low price of the first candle. Okay, so by this what happens, this 5 minutes is there for you to place the trade. You will catch the exact price. You will be easily able to place the order. So concept is simple. In case if you want to buy, then buy at the high of the first 5 minutes candle. In case if you want to sell at the open price, you can sell at the low of the first 5 minutes candle. Just wait for the first 5 minutes candle to get over and then accordingly you can place at the buy or the low. Okay, so by this what happens, most of the market reversals and all you can avoid it and you'll have better profits. Okay friends, so this is the strategy all about. So few modifications which we have done, you also have to adjust it, and if you have not tried the strategy till now, then you can try it as well. It's very excellent, very easy and simple as well. Okay, so if at all you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to press the subscribe button. And also in case if you want the backtested file and any other doubts, any confusion, if at all you have felt that I have really helped you in making a change in your trading career, then just do WhatsApp me and just say hi or just say something. If you want to communicate to me, you can always WhatsApp on my number 8095 876525. And also I have provided the link to join Upstock. In case if you want to join Upstock, you can use the link which I have provided in the description of this video. Okay friends, so thank you and have a nice day.